today, Arya? Okay. Have we finished I in school? We have, right?
Yes.
Okay. Can you please tell me, Arya, which picture starts with an I?
You will color it.
No, we'll have to just mark it like that, okay? Whatever starts with an I. So, what is this?
Igloo.
Okay. So, does it start with an I?
Yes.
Okay, can you draw the straight line? Can you match it? Okay. What is this? Insect.
Insect.
Okay.
Comes from.
Does it begin with an I?
No.
What does it begin with?
Insect.
Does it begin with an I?
Yes. It's in the E.
E sound. Very good. Yes.
Again. Come to the later.
Very nice. What is this?
Strawberry.
Does it begin with an I?
No, it's not come the sound.
Doesn't?
That comes star.
That comes
Strawberry.
strawberry. So that's a different sound, right?
Different sound.
Okay. So what is this?
Balloon.
Okay. Does it begin with an I? Say it slowly.
Balloon.
So what sound is that?
Dot.
So does it begin with an I?
No, that is B.
That is B. Very nice. Okay. So what is this?
This is when we go to the sun and make snow.
Snowman, right? So does this begin with an I?
Yes, the snow comes.
Is it E man?
Yes, very slow. Snowman.
So does it begin with an I?
That's
Does it have an E sound? No, right? Okay. So that doesn't begin with an I. What is this?
Honey.
Ink pot.
Ink pot.
Okay. Does this begin
E,
with
E sound. Yes.
Good job. Okay. Now we'll do N. Okay. Okay. What is this?
Necklace.
Okay. Does this begin with an N? Does it begin with an N?
Yes.
Okay.
Slowly. Necklace.
Necklace.
That's A.
Very good. Okay. What is this?
Baby.
Okay. Does it begin with an N?
That's B sound like a baby.
So does it begin with an N or a B? This?
B.
So it's not, right? So it's not. Okay. What is this?
This is net.
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 Very good. So does it begin with an N?
Yes.
Good job. Okay. What is this?
Robot.
Robot. Yeah. Does it begin with an N?
That's zero.
Hmm?
That's not.
Very good. Okay. What is this?
A.
No, this entire thing is called nest.
Nest.
Okay. Does it begin with an N?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Look at it. Net.
Yes. Nest. Nest. Correct. Okay. What is this?
Doctor.
No, that's not a doctor. That's a nurse.
Nurse.
Right. So what does it begin with an N sound?
That sound nurse.
Very
No.
good job, Arya. Very nice. Okay, we'll do another alphabet now.
Yay!
Okay, let's do M. Okay,
Yes. And that's your good.
we'll do that also. Okay. So, what is this?
Monkey.
Okay.
Ma. That sound ma.
Okay. So let's
That
do it.
is monkey. Yes.
Good job.
Let's
Okay.
come down.
Okay. Tag it properly. Okay. Good job. What is this?
Connect.
This is a knot.
Not.
Does it begin with an M?
No.
Good job. What is this?
My
Motorbike.
motorbike.
Does it begin with an M?
Yes.
Very good. Good job.
Very
Okay. What is this?
mouse.
Does it begin with an M?
It's ma. Yes.
Good job. What is this?
This is car.
Oh, that's a clip.
Clip.
Yes. Does it begin with an M?
Clip.
Does it begin?
No.
No. Very good. What is this?
Mm,
I don't know. It looks like.
that looks like a. Oh, I know this will be pig.
This is a pig.
Yes, look. The
Okay.
fingers come big.
Okay. So, does it? If it's a pig, does it begin with an M?
Pig.
Right. So, what is the sound of M?
Pig.
What is the sound of M?
Mm.
So, does it begin?
Pig.
It's no. Right. Good job. It's no, right? So we will not take this. That begins with a P, Navita.
Then
Now let's do. What is the sound? What is this? What is this letter, Arya?
I will not do this.
We'll do it later. You have not covered all of this in your school syllabus, right? You are preparing whatever you have done in school. So what is this letter?
L.
Very good. And what is the sound of L, Arya? What is the sound?
Lemon.
Sound of L. What is the sound of L? L.
L.
Okay. Wait.
Lemon.
So lemon. Does this begin with what is this?
Lemon.
Does it begin with an L? Good
No,
job.
that begin with the L, but that will be lemon.
Okay. What is this?
This I don't.
Log.
Log.
Okay. Properly. Slowly.
Log.
Does it begin with an L?
Yes.
Good job.
Isn't the L?
Very good. What is this?
Shower.
This is lamp.
Lamp.
Okay. Does it begin with an L?
Yes, it's a lamp.
Very good.
Lump.
What is this?
Parachute.
That's a hot air balloon.
I know parachute with the heart and balloon.
Right. So does it begin with an L sound?
Parachute heart or balloon.
Does it begin with an L sound?
Yes. Yes.
Does it begin with an L sound?
No.
What is this?
Ladder.
This is yes. Does it begin with
Yes, I know. That's lamp.
okay? What is this?
I don't know.
This is a bat.
Bat.
Does it begin? What letter does it begin with?
Bat.
Huh.
That's bo sound.
B sound. So
That's B.
it does not begin with L, right? Okay. We'll do the next one. Let's do J. Okay.
We don't know what this sound is.
We have to see. We'll figure out. Okay.
No, this what's taking me.
Okay. What is this? Do you know what this is?
Go.
Acha, first
Ga.
tell me. First tell
Ga.
me. What is the sound of J?
J. Ja.
Good job. What is this?
This. Jug.
Yes. So does it begin with a J?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Cool. Good job. Okay. What is this?
Ambulance.
Ambulance. Does it begin with a J?
That's A sound.
That is not an ambulance, Arya. That's a bus.
B. That's B sound. No.
No, right? Okay, good. What is this?
Delhi.
Jelly. Does it begin with a J?
D. Delhi.
Good job. What is this?
Puzzle.
Does
Pa.
it begin?
That's P sound. That's
That's per sound. So it's not a J sound. Okay, what is this? Ladybug.
ladybug.
Right?
No sound.
What no sound? It has a sound, but is it a J sound? Yes or no?
No.
Good job. What is this? Jam.
Jam. Yes.
Good job.
We done it.
Good job.
Done it. Done it.
What we'll do now, Arya,
Yes.
there are different images over here, okay? And there are alphabets also, okay? Based on what the letter or sound it begins with, we have to match it, okay? So first, let's see what is the first image. What sound does it begin with?
Bo.
Good.
Ba.
Match it to the letter. Hold your pencil properly, Arya. What is this? What is this?
Doggy.
What sound
Da.
does it begin with?
Oh.
You said it right.
Da.
Duh.
Yes.
What sound?
Da.
So it will be what? What letter?
D.
Okay, so where is D? Where is D?
Here.
Okay, so let's. Good job. Okay, what is this?
A.
What sound does it begin with?
That is E sound.
Okay, E sound. So let's match it.
To E.
Where is E? Where is E?
I don't know. We don't.
Look for it. So match it. Good job.
We do not. Good.
What is this?
Activity.
Good activity? You like it?
Yeah.
Okay. What sound? Sound?
Go.
Okay. Okay. What is this?
Slap.
Okay. What sound does it begin with?
That. That's
Okay. So match it. Good job.
apple.
What is this? Sit properly. What is this?
Apple.
Okay.
So in
What sound is apple?
ah,
Okay. What letter would that be?
A.
Okay. Let's match it. Let's look for A.
A.
Match it. Match it.
Oh, the deep. Oh no.
That's okay. What is this? Girl.
The girl.
Okay. What sound does it begin with? Girl.
Girl.
Okay.
G.
Good job. What is this?
Igloo.
Okay. So
E. That sound E.
okay. So sound is E and letter is
I.
letter is
I.
okay. So let's match it.
Today.
Let's match it, Arya.
This is I.
So let's match it. What is this?
Look this.
What is this?
This is sky.
Okay. What letter is that?
K.
Okay. Let's do it. Good job.
Lion.
Okay. What letter?
No.
Good job.
No.
Good job. What is this?
Jelly.
Good job.
Duck.
Very good. What is this?
Mouse.
What is this? Hat.
Hat.
What letter?
H.
Good job. Good job, Arya.
I know the letter.
Okay, okay.